What is up, man? What is up, YouTube? As y'all see by the title of the video, I bought a $30 exhaust off Amazon, and right now I'm about to show y'all my stock exhaust. And I got the exhaust right here. I'm just gotta put it on after they tell me I could come to the shop. So I'm about to show y'all my stock exhaust. As you can see, nothing crazy about it. Stock exhaust, stock sound, nothing really loud about it. But I'm not trying to go for that loud look. I'm trying to go for that deep look. And my car is a little sporty. It looks sporty on the outside, so I'm trying to match the aesthetic of the exhaust sound to match with the car. You know what I mean? Because like I can't have like a sucky exhaust if like the car looks clean. You know what I mean? They both got to combine together. And this exhaust actually matches my car. It has like a silver, like a titanium or something like that, platinum. But yep, that's how it sounds stock. And right now we're about to go to the shop and I'm gonna have it installed, and y'all are gonna hear the after with me too. And hopefully we're surprised, because I do not know how it's gonna sound, but I hope it sounds crazy. Hey y'all, so we just put up to the auto shop. My first time getting an exhaust done. I never got an exhaust on my car ever. Hopefully it sounds clean. Hopefully it gives it that sound that I've been looking for and been wanting when I start it up. Cause bro, I'm low-key nervous, bro. I don't know how it's gonna sound, and I'm low-key scared for my baby right here. It's my car, bro. It's my baby. So we're about to find out how it's gonna sound. Hopefully I can record for y'all in there, and hopefully it all turns out good. Cross your fingers. Ready to get out? Let's go. Here we go, y'all. It's on the thing. It's lifting up. And about to look at it right now. This is it right here, though. Exhaust, bro. Exhaust tip right here. Let's see, it's about to go crazy. My exhaust is on the floor right now, bro. Look at this. Damn. That's crazy, bro. Look at that. Coming down, baby, they're done. All right, y'all, so now that the exhaust is installed, I thought of the best place that I could take it to, which is a car garage, and it's also a safe environment to show y'all. Because what I'm about to do, I'm about to give y'all a cold start on this, since y'all heard the stock. Now this is after, and I'm about to do a little quick run for y'all down this little free pass. And don't worry, we're in a safe environment. No one's here except for that car, but we're just literally gonna keep going straight, and hopefully y'all can hear the sound. And then now let's check out the car. Alright y'all, now it's time for the pool. Let's do it. Bro, now that sounded freaking phenomenal. I heard it in the car, it sounded good, and y'all saw how it sounded from the outside. Bro, you can hear it from the inside and the outside, and there's not any drone, really. Like, whenever I drove it, there's not that much drone. Bro, I think this is freaking a steal for exhaust. Like, oh my gosh, that's insane. I recommend you go get it. I got it from Amazon, and bro, it's fire. My first exhaust ever, and it did the job for me. So if you're looking for an exhaust that's like not too high of a price that you just want to slap on, bro, I recommend this one, the Evil Energy exhaust from Amazon. $45, which is a steal.